Welcome to this tutorial. I'll show you how to build an AI agent using Langflow, a drag-and-drop platform for intelligent workflows. We start by creating a new flow and RHE from settings on the right suit of the Canvas creator variable, which is an API key that will be used in the process for building the flow. First of all, we drag all the components, flows, one by one on the Langflow canvas. File is RHE first component to be dragged on the canvas. Then the next one is split text. The third one is chat input. Next is cohere embeddings. After cohere embeddings, the FAS vector story is dragged. Then is the turn of parser. After that, prompt template is dragged. The second last component is cohere language model. And the last one is chat output. The next major step is the wiring of each component on the canvas. First, insert the file to be processed, PDF, TXT, CSV, file in the component on the UI. Set chunk overlap to 50 and chunk size to 500 in split text. Set cohere API key to mycohere key in cohere embeddings and cohere language models components. Raw contents in the file component is connected to input split text and to the input of Cohere language model. Raw content of file component is wired to input of Cohere language models. Chunk in split text is wired to ingest data of face. Embeddings in Cohere embeddings is then connected to embeddings of face. Set persist directory to chroma_db in face. Data frame of face is wired to data or data frame to parser component in the parser mode. Prompt from prompt template is connected RO system message in Cohere language models. Chat message from chat input to search query in face. Chat message from chat input to context of prompt template. To check successful building of the flow, which we play the play button on chat button component and it shows flow is built successfully. And with that we come to the end of our video by playing in the playground situated on the top right corner of the UI and by interacting with the AI, which provides you with the accurate answers provided to it through the .txt file, and if the question is out of context it will refuse to answer. Thanks for watching.